How to fix Xiaomi Redmi 15 Pro Bluetooth cutting. Let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, just press them once, volume up and power button. And from here, simply swipe up. Then mobile phone will be turned off and then turn on your device. And second method is open settings app. Go down, select apps, and from here we have manage apps. Click on these, and from here search Bluetooth app. Click on this, and from here we have storage. Click on this, and from here you can clear data in storage Bluetooth. And after that, again open settings app and select about phone, and from here we have update. Click on this, and from here checking your latest version will be updated or not. If he doesn't update, then update it to latest version. After that your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.